Welcome to ShortView Trading. It's your morning market hit for Thursday, 16th of July. What matters today for traders? Rotation continued again yesterday into the cyclical areas of the market. Yesterday we saw industrials, energy and materials joined also by financials. All of those four sectors leading the market higher. Lagging the market, of course, was defensives and some of the IT names and the communication services stocks. Amazon, like prior days and following on from its key day reversal earlier this week, continued its weakness as one of the key tech leadership stocks. That's interesting. Added to that, we saw the NASDAQ 100 on that Fibonacci retracement push above its 50% ratio and then fade after hours and overnight. As you can see from the chart in front of you now, it's now trading below that 50% retracement ratio, having put in its key day reversal earlier this week on Monday as well. With respect to the NASDAQ short-term trading models, whilst they were all generating sell signals earlier this week, back end of last week, they continue to roll over from their high levels. Fund flow models is now about mid-range, showing you that some of that hot money starting to come out of the sector, that short-term 1 to 2 week money. That model though remains mid-range. Momentum seems to be to the downside and it's not therefore yet on buy. Equally, if you look at the technical overbought model, it's rolled over as well, but again, is sort of mid-range, whilst the NASDAQ put to call ratio remains on sell. Net momentum's rolling. The NASDAQ's moved back into that uptrend channel that we talked about earlier this week. It's sort of getting towards the middle of it now, but there's further downside if it retraces to the bottom of that channel, as it often does. Added to which, models are rolling and not yet on buy. To see how we're playing this, please see today's daily rag available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching today? Well, there's a ton of key macro, particularly out of the States. Weekly jobless claims, of course, they're always interesting in recent weeks. But on top of that, the NAHB Home Builders Index, we've got US retail sales, and we've got US Philly Fed survey. All of that's key and interesting and worth watching closely. In terms of key events, of course, it's the ECB monetary policy decision, sort of lunchtime in London, followed by a press conference. Some discussion about whether or not they're going to complete their pandemic bond buying program, or whether they may not need all of its entirety. That'll be part of the Q&A. That'll be interesting, as will other comments Lagarde has to say. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Thursday, 16th of July. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and or Facebook. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.